aga-aga naligo ni Wesley. I have to show you something na. Sit down, sit down. I have to show you something, Wesley boy. Yung Wesley, naka-insert man. I have to show you something, be. Ano na? Huh? That's your lunchbox.
Yes. Wait,
That's yours.
it's mine.
Yes. That's all yours.
Me.
Ay.
When did you shirt? When kuya?
Tanaway mo hang water bottle. Water bottle. Ganahan ka? Ha? Emang bag tanawa? Wow! It's Dino! Are you happy, babe? Huh? Do you like your bags and lunch boxes?
Yes. Yes.
Lunchbox?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Asa man ang maingon?
Mommy. Thank you, mommy.
And to your daddy said.
Thank you, daddy, for buying for me.
Mommy and daddy bought that for you.
You bought it for me. How, daddy?
Yeah, your daddy too.
How?
Huh?
Daddy, he's not here.
I know, but he gave me money for that. Are you excited to school? Ano ba yan, Wesley? Imuha man na, pambutang og snacks.
More. What's this for?
That's Kuya William and for Kuya Braden.
Hi, guys. I have look. Mommy.
Karon pa siya nag-vlog.
I made one. I made one. Really one.
Here, baby.
What do you want that?
Yeah, that's a sandwich. For sandwich.
Our sandwich too.
Okay.
I need a little boot. Spider-Man is mine.
Waylon?
Mommy. Mommy, I like Spider-Man and I like blue, that blue and it's red. Oh, she is Spider-Man.
That's our sandwich. Ganito yun, baby.
Alright. I do this mine.
Yeah.
Indeed that.
Huh?
Indeed.
Hi guys, good morning. So breakfast po yung mga bata. And first day of school ni Kathleen and Michael. So yung mga elementary, Monday pa po yung pasok nila. Supposed to be today, half day, but late enrollees kasi sila. So yun din naman yung Monday din naman yung ano talaga, like first whole day sa school. Para ngayon is ano lang, walang paila-ila, kay half day raman. Ayun si Braden. So mga to guys. Kaya wala pa yung teacher si William and Wesley. Don't do that. You want to get in trouble? Huh? Okay, thank you. Eat na, Wesley. Sit properly, Waylon. Sayuhan na rin kung Wesley boy. Yan na, eat na, eat na sa watermelon. Eat over the plate. Or else you go to your kananay table.
I don't even want.
Na eat, baby, okay? In 2 weeks.
You can only give me 400.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay.
In 2 weeks lang. Kain tayo, guys.
It's a beautiful day.
Nutella bread.
It's a beautiful day.
Ano, there ka, babe? So guys, nag-tie ako sa shoes ni Brayden kay nakalimutan niya daw. I told him it's okay kasi si William hindi din alam paano mag-tie ng shoes kasi yung shoes na binibili ko sa kanya is yung walang lace. Kaya nasanay siya na walang lace yung shoes niya. So until now hindi din siya marunong. Pero okay lang yan kasi matutunan lang din nila yan. Baka may magsasabi na naman dito, ay malaki na sila, bakit hindi pa nila alam na ganito, ganyan. Okay lang na guys. They'll get there. Mga na. So it's 8:46 AM na guys. Ang aga-aga pa. Hala. Waylon, that's not yours. Gusto maglaro ni Waylon palagi dito sa labas. Kaya sinamahan siya ni Brayden and Wesley boy. That's not your shoes. That's Kuya William's shoes.
No.
Hmm?
No. Mommy.
It's not mine.
What?
It's not mine. That's Kuya William's slipper. Volleyball. Ayan na si si Josephine, ha? Kuha na to later. Ang hilig-hilig mag-soccer nito. Mag-soccer player talaga to sila ba?
He just woke up, that's like hurt. What? Ah, boy, that hurt. Is he?
Yeah, first time pa niya mag-school. Kaya wala man siya nag-pre-K, so kindergarten siya diretso. So Wesley, you're gonna go to, you're gonna,
I'm about.
huy, munsa kasi mo teacher ga. Sige, padungga sa Ate Josephine, what are you gonna say to your teacher and classmates? Yeah.
Hi, classmate.
Close the door, William, please. Ay, yan na, nasa ingon be.
Hi, classmate.
Sige, alin na Wilon, obviously. Ano siya mainin sa mong teacher or classmates?
Hi, classmate. My name is Leslie Parkade, and I'm 5 years old.
Maingon kay gana? Yay! That's good.
He knows his full name.
Alin mo?
He's be shy there.
He is.
He's probably with classmates. My name is Wesley Parkade. Then who's gonna drop him off at his school?
Ang bus. So, ikaw magunit ni Wesley, ha? Sa bus?
I'm with Brayden. I'm with Wesley.
You help Ate Josephine pod. But Wesley's good boy man, so he'll
You're
listen.
gonna be across our seat. Or somebody started it. I played that game too.
He listen man to you, Bino. You're big ate.
I played that game. Yes, I'm a big. A ball.
Yeah.
Cousin.
Big ate cousin.
Mommy, I played that game and Bayo thinks I don't. I play it.
When?
He's just lying. No. Don't lie.
But let me see.
I this game.
Yeah, he played that
I
game.
played that game. You played this game before? Oh, sorry. And I played that other game, remember?
Not here, be. Not here. Kay matumba mo, be. Matumba mo. Dito mo sa couch, nak, be. Kuya Brayden, ato mo couch ka. Kay matumba mo.
Okay.
Sige na sila gakos ni Brayden, guys. Okay. Hug lang. And let's go na. Kay nakoy buhatan. They love you, kuya, no? Hindi na. Ay, here's your tablet. Oh, it's lobat. Lobat man, be. Charge na ako, ha? Why? Naunsa naman ni si William nga nagtakiang naman ni siya.
Her?
Ngano tayo na mo? Ngano may mo hangkan, William?
Huh?
What happened to your leg?
My feet doesn't hurt right here. It just hurts right here when I shoot.
Ay, tungod na sa mong kuan, gipamaulan ka. Sa mong pagsipa og soccer.
What happened? It started.
It's sour? Sour.
It started.
Sour daw. I said it. Sour?
It started when I was playing outside with Brayden.
Yeah. Gipamaulan ra ka. It's okay. Kay mawara na ugma. So, punta na tayo sa taas, guys, kasi assemble ako ng mga ng mga bata ng dresser. And maglimpyos ako dyan sa kwarto. Tapos maglaba ako mamaya. So, ano man ka, be? Hala. Gusto ko i-move ang tawag dyan, yung bed, guys. Maybe kukunin ko muna yung mattress para ma-move ko siya all the way there sa wall. Ang payat ko talaga tingnan ay pag wala, pag black yung susuotin ko. I mean, pumayat naman talaga ako, pero mas payat ako tingnan pag black yung susuotin ko. Guys, if kanang bilhan niyo ako, charot. Bilhan niyo ako ng pabango, nasa Pinas, on hand po. So, if you're interested to buy Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body Works and bags, kasi may paparating ako na bags this month. So, just PM ko sa Facebook page ko, Ishing's Life, or sa W's Authentic Brands from USA. Yeah, so, makikita niyo doon yung mga posts ko. And nagbenta din ako ng relo, guys. So, baka magustuhan nyo and interested kayo, just message me on Facebook na lang po. So, yun na. Naninda, no? Kogihan kayo maninda, guys. Soon, babalik ako sa pagtitinda ng mga bags. Actually, meron akong mga benta. Yung mga bags na hindi naalala ni Kuya sa Pinas. So, nabalik siya dito. Isisend ko yan sa Pinas. Magpa-box ako. And then, meron din ako available. I mean, meron din po akong bagong nabiling mga bags. Ayan, guys. This one is for only 4,800 or 4,900. Basta naka-sale po ito. Ang mahal-mahal po nito, guys, ha. So, may tatlo po kong available na color. Baka dadating to, guys, Pasko. So, bilhan nyo na yung sarili nyo or yung mga pamangkin nyo or mga anak nyo. So, ito yun, guys. Nagustuhan ko talaga to. Pero, ibibenta ko na lang pag may bibili nito. Ito ang design. Ito yung design niya. Yan, it's so cute po. Tapos ito yung pangalawa. And ito yung tatlo. Parato na lang kayo ni guys. 4.8 lang siya. So, dadating to November to December. For sure, Pasko. Bilhan nyo na yung sarili nyo. Giflex lang na ako. Baka dahil na mamalit. Anyway guys, maglinis muna ako dito. And then, babalikan ko kayo kasi mag-assemble tayo ng dresser ng mga bata. So, see ya. Ayan guys, tapos akong maglinis sa aming kwarto. Diyan mo na yung kumot. Kasi dito natutulog si Waylon, ay si Wesley guys. And then, mauna yung banig. I mean, you can't eat here. Remember? You cannot eat here?
Not that.
That's your toy.
Only that. I eat my right.
Huh?
Eat right.
No.
What?
Don't do that.
What?
Pick up that. Pick up that one. Thank you. Build na tayo ng dresser. Excited na ako para may dresser na din yung mga bata. May naman sila, may closet, pero mas maganda yung itong ganito yung ano nila, dresser. So, may paglalagyan din sila ng damit na hunos-hunos. Wailan, ali, Wailan! And then next is yung bed. Yung bed. Yung bed frame nila. Huh? I know, pero too big lagi that for you.
What do you mean so big?
Huwag mo big na ka ha.
And I'm gonna take it back.
Yes.
I'm gonna get it for him.
So, ganito pa siya ngayon. Ayan, ganito na siya. Same sa akin. Madali lang to siya, guys. Wala nang kuskus balunus. Ikalawang paa. That ha. Yeah? So, wala mo ning number. Meron din. Meron pala. Guys, na-build ko na po ito. And yung mga ganito na yung kulang. Madali lang kasi siya i-assemble kasi wala siyang kuskus balungos kaya ang dali-dali lang. Yan na guys. Nice quality siya. Actually, gisale niya siya sa Amazon. Sale po ito. And then, nagustuhan ko din siya kasi ang ganda-ganda ng quality. And next, yung gagawin ko is yung ganito nila, Kathleen and Josephine. And then, after yung bed nila para may bed frame na po sila. So, yan po, ayan po yung yan po yung bed nila. Ilang apat. So, okay, baby. At sa wakas, natapos ko na talaga. Di ba maganda? So, Micah and Kathleen just got home from school. First half day. So, nalapas pa sila. Wala may school, no? Ini ka Monday pa, Pino. Wala ikaw mo. Kamo, Michael, na may school.
Mom, may school.
Monday pa ang first half day, ay whole day.
Is the
Alin na, William? Ano, tanaw ka na ko? Ha? Mura kag abat.
Is there any I think baso? Mama?
He's mad.
Is there any
Wala. You can use this. You can use.
something in there.
Unsay tawag ano eh? The dresser. Michael.
Yeah?
So your pillow, your dresser. Ay, your dresser, your dress, ay, your, Uy, ikaw mo niya mag-English, uy! Yung kuan mo.
Oh.
Clothes.
I need a cup.
You can use that one. Gutom ka, Wilon? Si Kathleen guys, sabi niya, ang laki-laki daw ng school niya. Gusto niya daw lumipat. Naasa ka ni siya mo balhin. Asa mo balhin, be?
Wow.
Dako kayo mong school, good. Taga-human ni mo sa isa ka subject, balhin na po ka sa pikas room. Ha? Dili din yung teacher ang mobalhin? Kamo di ay? Bantog di ay. Said it's okay, Kathleen.
Drink there.
Uy, ginoo ko matagak. Ha? Lain-lain o classmate? Lahi-lahi guro mo og gikuha. Or wait for the rice.
Gani mga uban gani mga uban na kuwan sa mga room kanang line grade.
I know. Where they mo college? Where mo college? Kung ingan na. Nagigutom na si Wilon, uy. Wilon, wait sa Wilon. Wait for the rice.
Mapagkuha ng pizza mo.
Ganahan ka? Wait for the rice, okay? I think wala na pizza, B. Akong tanan. Ikaw, Michael, unsa man imong room? Daghan ka classmates?
Magalan.
Nagpaila-ila ka. Nana ka, hi, I'm... Ha? Unsa naman ka dito sa school?
Kuwan. Ay nga. Basta, activities.
Ikaw, William, excited na ka sa imong school?
Yeah?
Munsa man ka? Munsa? Yeah.
Basta matagaroon lang kay lainog ka ng
Lumo.
lainog ka ng kuan ba like naman na yung hallway nga mga hallway ba nga basta pakita natin kas map.
Oh, dako man kay nimong mapa. Dalaga na kay Kathleen, oh.
Na, di ba, diri man namong PE. Maabot lagi kung ano mo na ko para second class.
Ulo.
Nya, uya, og second class mo na pag ko. Diri na sad ko.
Bando day kabuya. Pagdala na lang kau kuan. Scooter. Ay nga na lang. Padalahan ko na lang ng scooter si Kathleen, guys, para hindi siya kapuyon. No, you're gonna have to wait. Okay? Kathleen, I think wala na, babe.
Bas ni.
Yun, saan? No, not yet. Why kutsara si Wilon, William, please? Sige na, sige na. Ano mo siglan? Wesley, sige na, Wesley boy. Ayan guys, lunch namin. Maura ni ang kanang biblop ni Kathleen ha, kay diet siya.
Thank you.
Chicken nuggets na lang, be. I know, no more na.
What are chicken nuggets ba?
Nagluto pa ko.
Chicken nuggets.
Ikaw, Wesley. Ay, naray mo po. Magkuhan pa ako chicken nuggets.
Hey, but it doesn't taste like water.
Guys, tingnan nyo yung chicken nuggets. Ang laki-laki. Nabili to sa Sam's Club. Grabe kadag ko kayo.
I like the big chicken nuggets.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Huh?
Now you gonna eat.
Yes, baby. I'm gonna eat something. Thank you. So, dinner time, guys. Real quick.
Mommy.
Ayan yung mga bata. Ano siya man? Ha? Nakatulog ako kanina ay pagkatapos namin kumain. Nagpatulog ka sa ukawilong.
And then done.
Okay, butang na.
Oh, mommy, what's that?
Mozzarella.
Huh? It's so stretchy.
At sa
That's cheese.
Mozzarella cheese. May eat pa kami ka?
Okay, have some more.